This is the third and last in a series of short videos looking at conflict resolution strategies, and it looks at conflict as a form of interpersonal problem solving. Two strategies that you can and should teach in your classroom. The first one is the conflict resolution bridge, where you create a bridge on the playground or in the classroom. On the playground, you actually paint squares on the sidewalk or on the tar or playground someplace. In the classroom, you can create this bridge with tape. It needs to be big enough for students to stand in each square, and it will look something like this. Each child starts at either end. Now I'm going to show you exactly what happens in each square. And yes, this can be done at the first, second, third grade level. Students with a conflict start on each side of the bridge. There they are. In the first square, students describe what they want. In the second square, students describe their feelings. When you blank, I feel. So they move forward to the next square. Third square, each student restates the position of the other. Helps them take the perspective of the other. So you're restating. The fourth square, students generate ideas for solutions. Bing, bing, generate ideas. And in the middle, students pick an idea in which they both agree. They meet in the middle and shake hands. There is the conflict resolution bridge painted on a sidewalk out on the playground or taped in your classroom. The second one works with older students, SOS Steps. Each person tells his or her side of the story, including using an I message to say how each feels. Instead of, when you do this, an I message is, I feel. All right? And you may have to teach the I message. Both people suggest possible solution options, and they generate as many as they can, and then both agree on solutions. Make sure the option agreed on is safe, fair, and will work for both. So each person tells a story, both suggest possible options, they are brainstorming, and then both agree on a solution. Very simple, but it provides some structure. There are more, but those are just two very simple conflict resolution strategies that you can use tomorrow in your classroom if you need.